Physics Blender. I love 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 Physics Blender. Subscribe for more videos.
Hello everyone, welcome to Physics Blender e-learning platform. Today we are checking your answers, your homework about reflection of light for core and extended candidates paper 1. Okay, you have here question 1 is asking you about which diagram is showing how the beam is reflected by the mirror. Okay, beam means group of light rays. Okay, we have two types of reflecting surface. The surface could be smooth, okay, like the plane mirror here. So the reflection, in this case we call it regular reflection. And regular reflection, it means the reflected rays will not be scattered and they are parallel to each other. Okay, but if you have a rough surface, so we call this diffuse reflection, and maybe we will find that the rays could be scattered, but in the two types they obey the law of reflection. Okay, to know more about this you can follow the Instagram to know more about research day. Okay guys, so the answer here in this case is B, because we have the reflected rays, they are parallel to each other and they are not scattered any ways, and no spectrum is formed for sure. Okay, question number two. Here we have a plane mirror and you have the incident light ray here, incident, okay, and you have to draw the normal, so you can simply know it is at right angle to the reflecting surface, to the mirror. Okay, so you can know that this angle, the angle of incidence, is the angle between the incident ray and the normal. Since you have this angle is 90 degree perpendicular to the mirror, so if you extend the normal you will find this angle is also 45. The interior angles of the triangle is 180. Okay, so what about the angle here of incidence? The angle of incidence here is 45 alternate angles, so you can apply the law of reflection, so the ray will be reflected by the same angle of incidence, so the ray will be reflected by the same angle of incidence, also 45. Okay, and this 45, so this will be 90. So it means the angle between the reflected ray which make with the table is 90 degrees, so the reflected ray makes angle 90 degrees with the table. The answer is D. Is it clear? Okay, so this is question 2. Let's move to question 3. Question 3, we have here also the characteristics of the image formed by plane mirror. R, how this R appears in the mirror, facing the mirror. The letter is upright and facing the mirror. How the student can see the image of this R in the mirror? You have to exclude the letters which are inverted upside down. Also here we have R, no change in orientation, but if you just draw here the letter R, okay, if you have here, okay, letter R at equal distance behind the mirror, it will look like this. Okay, so roughly the letter R, its image here, the answer is A. Okay, so guys, let's move to question 4. Question 4, we have the word left, how it looks like when a girl looks at the image, how the reflection by a plane mirror, what does she see? Okay, so if you have here the mirror, okay, so at equal distance you will find T, which is the same, no change in orientation, F laterally inverted, and you have here E and you have L. So the answer for this one is B. So at equal distance behind the mirror, you will find the letters, they are laterally inverted, but some capital letters, no change in orientation, like letter T in this case. Okay, guys? Okay, let's move to question 5. Okay, question 5, you have here a clock, an analog clock, and you can also draw a mirror just to find how the image will look like. You have the image already, so you are trying to find what time is shown in the original the object itself. So you can consider here 3 points, okay, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, and we are trying to at equal distance. Okay, so here you can find at equal distance, so this is 1 and this is 2, and you can find here is at equal distance, it will be 0.3. Okay, so if you look at this, you can read it in the clock as 9:25. Okay, guys, so the answer of this question is C.
Subscribe for more videos. I love physics splendor. I love physics splendor. I love physics splendor.